Hello there. That car over there is a piece of shit again. So we're gonna fix it. I'll see you guys there. Alright, so last week or 2 weeks ago, I was showing you how to do the electronic, typey fix your car bull crap. But today we're actually gonna get our hands dirty and crawl under here and top off transmission fluid. I'm gonna show you how to do it properly because apparently no one knows how. So I did extensive research for hours, by that I mean 2 minutes, and we're gonna make a video on it. So I'll see you under the car. Ow. All right, you filming? Mm-hmm. All right, so now you're gonna want, after you look up my nose, because that's funny, you're gonna want a T50, looks like that, and it says T50. And I was lazy and I forgot my wrench in the house, so we're gonna use this big boy with a reducer. I'm gonna hope it works. So, on the side of your transmission, I will film it in a minute. There's a little fill port, and this wrench is too big. All right, so there's your transmission mount, there's your exhaust mount right there. All right, right there, it's kind of hard to see. That's your fill port that uses that T50. So you're gonna wanna take that out with the car off. And then you're gonna top that off with fluid. I'm gonna go do that now, and Logan's gonna film you, so here we go. Alright, so I broke it loose. Now I'm gonna take it the rest of the way out. Some fluid could come out. That means that you're topped off. I honestly don't know what's gonna happen with mine because it's funny. I'm honestly scared. I am almost guaranteed to burn myself here. Alright, so I forgot to mention when you do this, when you top off, you want to make sure that the transmission's at around 40 degrees centigrade, which is around 109 Fahrenheit. So, just so you know, it's going to help because the liquid thins out, the hotter it gets, it's going to help you put in more. So, I'm going to do this part and try not to burn myself like I did last time. Alright, so that means I'm good on fluid because it's dripping like that. So we're gonna let it do its thing real quick. It's peeing, ew. That's it. Oh.
Is it in there?
Yeah.
Oh, you just stuck your hand in there.
I had to. Can I get a paper towel? So as you can see, I'm a wee bit juicy from that one. That's always a fun time. All right, now here's the fun part. You gotta start the car, but leave it in park. Which means this is gonna get hot because this is your exhaust. So you gotta manage your way in there without burning yourself. And now you gotta top it off with fluid because that's how it opens up all the solenoids. You can see it's done dripping. But that's what we're gonna do. So normally what would happen is if you did have a fluid problem, when you pull the plug, nothing's coming out. Also make sure the car's sitting level. I have a feeling my rear end's down a little bit. That's why it dripped as much as it did. But yeah, just try to make it as level as possible. And then once that's done, that's where we're at now. You want to turn the car on, leave it in park, put fluid in it. Gang, gang. All right, so what you're gonna want to fill with is this top, whatever. It's just 1800 ATF fluid. So yeah, I have a little pump that I use. You basically take it out of the bottle, put it in the pump, and then the pump, you can push it up in there. So before I start this, make sure your AC is off. You don't need lights on, I'll turn that off. And then I have my valve closed just so I can yell, like don't have to yell over the exhaust. So we're gonna go ahead and start it now. Make sure it's in park, make sure your e-brake is up.
So you want to get your new fluid in your pump, and you want to try to not burn yourself on the exhaust. And there's a hole on the side, and you want to put the tube in the hole. And you push it up in there until it leaks out.
Everything that could go wrong is going wrong. It needs to get cleaned up. Make sure to take it off your paint. I don't know about ATF, but I know like brake fluid could actually eat through the clear coat and stuff. So if you're stupid like me and sent trans fluid everywhere, make sure to clean it up.
Now I gotta be careful not to burn myself. Are you kidding me?
How not to refill your trans? So we took too long and it got over temperature. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna wait for it to cool back down to about 50 degrees C. 30 to 50 is the range. I know I said 30 to 40, but you're fine with 50. And it's actually between when you top it off when it's off and top it off when it's on, it should take about 2 liters. So 2 of those bottles. Doesn't help that I spilled it everywhere. Yeah, so don't follow what I do for filling it. You can actually put the tube down in the trans bottle and just pull it to suck the fluid out. I didn't do that because I was stupid and I made a mess. So I'll see you guys when it cools off. We'll put in the last about half liter or so, and you'll see it starts to drip. Seal it all up, and we'll be good.
God damn it.
Is it dripping?
I hope. Because we're out.
I was so worried because that's our last bottle pretty much. I was like, we're gonna have to hop in your car and drive to the auto parts store and get more. But we didn't. Dude, stink bug! Alright, so it's the next day and well, after getting fluid all over myself, I decided to take a shower, and then when I got out, freaking Hurricane Katrina happened, so that's cool. So after you top it off, you're gonna want to refer to this video up here. That's about doing the tuning stuff. I made a video on that, but that's what I did yesterday during a thunderstorm. You're basically gonna want to retune it, and then you're gonna want to drive it, just kind of get it through the gears, get all the fluid pumping through everything, just so it's all running good. And the reason you want to retune it though is your car's gonna learn some weird values since these transmissions are self-learning. They're gonna learn some weird values because you're lower on fluid and stuff. It's gonna change your clutch pressure and just weird stuff like that. So after you top it off, you wanna make sure you do a reset. Again, a video down below or up on this card, depending on what I do. Hell, I might even put an annotation on my face to click. That would be kind of cool. But we're gonna go drive it. Thank you for watching. Right now I'm getting the car washed because it's disgusting. But if you have any questions, shoot a comment down below. Hopefully I covered everything. Yeah, this is kind of a pain to do, but once you get it, and like the biggest thing is just knowing that you have to actually put in 2 liters of extra fluid, because that confused me at first. I'm like, there's no way it's this low, but yeah, apparently when the car is running, it takes that much. So yeah, and make sure you tune it afterwards because it's gonna learn some weird values. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Have a question, shoot it down below. If it helped you guys out, leave a like. That way other people can find this video, because I didn't see a single video on how to do this. So yeah, see you guys in the next one.